You just heard the letter K sound. Can we say it again?
K, k, k.
Today, let's learn some K words.
Kite, kite, kite.
A kite is a toy that flies in the wind.
Kid, 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 kid.
Kid means a young child. Every kid can learn something new every day. Let's say kid.
Kid, kid, kid. Key, key, key.
A key is used to open or lock a door. Let's keep the key in a safe place.
Kit, kit, kit.
A kit is a set of tools or supplies used for a purpose. For example, this is medical kit.
King, 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 king.
A king is a man who rules a kingdom. Say king.
King, king, king. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
A kiss is a gentle touch with the lips to show love or care. The mommy kissed the baby.
Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi.
A kiwi is a small fruit with green flesh and tiny black seeds.
Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Koala, koala, koala.
A koala is a grey animal that lives in Australia. Let us say koala.
Koala, koala, koala. Kettle, 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 kettle.
A kettle is a container used to boil water.
Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo.
A kangaroo is a large animal from Australia that hops and carries its baby in a pouch. A baby kangaroo rides safely in its mother's pouch. Can you say kangaroo for me?
Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo.
Let's say the K words together. Kangaroo, key, kite, kiwi. Awesome work, little learners. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more learning videos every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Home Learner TV. Tap the bell so you never miss a fun lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye, learners.